How to install apollogrouptv on androidbox. I'm going to tell you how to install apollogrouptv on your Android box. First, turn on your Android TV and connect it to Wi-Fi. From the home screen, go to Settings, Security, and make sure Unknown Sources is enabled. This lets you install apps that aren't from the Google Play Store. Next, open the browser on your Android box, visit the Apollo Group TV official site, or your provider's direct APK link. If your box doesn't have a browser, download the Downloader app and enter the APK link. Once the APK finishes downloading, you'll be prompted to install, so just click Install and then Open once it's done. Now enter your Apollo Group TV login credentials, usually provided when you subscribe, and that's it. You're now ready to stream.